What is going on, guys? Tim again, Back Row Garage. We're here with another video. We got the puppy. She's hanging out. But today, we're gonna be doing an install on the Mustang. We got it in the garage here. Show you that. Got up on the stands, just took the wheels off. Tight quarters in here, but... So we got these replacement bulbs for the interior. We got the, well, it's not for the interior. This is for the reverse light. This is the Diode Dynamics. I think it's the XPR. It's the brightest one. I think it's 800 lumens, so that will definitely look nice on the back. And then we got the interior illumination kit. So we got the 4 vanity lights on the mirrors, the 2 dome lights, and the light for the glove box. So we're gonna be doing that. Nothing too complex, nothing too crazy, but I just think with the price of the car, the nice headlights, the beautiful LED taillights, I think Ford dropped the ball a little bit in these cheap halogen bulbs, especially on the rear, because they got, like I said, they got the nice taillights. So I think they should have definitely tossed a nice LED bulb in there, but that's okay. So we're gonna be doing that. I just did finish up the clutch spring, the Steeda. I think it's a 35-pound spring. Much better. So let's get into it. All right, so super complicated install today. Definitely getting real in depth here, but so I actually did watch the Diode Dynamics install video just because I wasn't too sure, but so it's pretty easy. So what they said was to tiny flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool, pry from the outside of each of these, and then that will expose them. They also said, which I'll show you, that there's 2 screws, Phillips head behind these lenses, which will take that whole assembly out, which makes it easier to get to the bulb. So I'm gonna do that. So obviously it's the same for the passenger side. So I'm gonna do this one, show you guys that, and then the 2 dome lights, and I got to figure out the glove box. Haven't gotten that far yet, but all right. So I just popped this one out. You can see there's a tab at the top, tab at the bottom. So I pried the bottom first, then the top. Doesn't really matter, but they should come right out. Yep. So as you can see, we got the 2 screws. So I'm gonna take those out. We got the bulbs right here. So definitely tight quarters. Definitely don't want to mess around with that. It's just easier to take these out. So I'm gonna do that and show you what we got. Now with the screws removed, they said to just pry along the top, and then this should pop right out. In their install video, they didn't show the back of this, but as you can see, we got a tab up top, and then groove at the bottom. So definitely pry from the top, and then it'll just fall right on your lap. All right, so once you get that off, you got the 1 bulb here, 1 bulb here. We just gotta pull them out, but for a little before shot, that's what we're working with. Nothing too crazy, just some standard bulbs. You got the little, make sure you got it right, so. All right, here's a little after. You just stick them right in. They said that before you put this back on, check for polarity. Make sure they're right, so. Oh yeah, definitely a little bit brighter than the OEM ones. So let's get it put back together. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all together. That's what it looks like with the lenses back in. Definitely brighter. Here's the passenger side one for reference. Nice white light. On to the next one, we got the dome lights. There's 2 of them, halogen bulbs. So you're gonna take both hands, I can't show you, but take both hands and evenly pry down. Try to get your fingernails in the gap and evenly pry down all at once. So once you get this to pop down, right here, you pull that right out of the little socket, pull the bulb right out, which I already did. All right, so we got them back in, pop this back up. So we're gonna do the vanity, and then I'm gonna do the glove box. So let's see how these look. Can't really tell because the sun's shining off that one, but there we go. Much better versus, yeah, nope. Last bulb for the glove box is here. I believe it sits, if you're looking at it, it sits horizontally this way. So you gotta pull it out that way and then shove the new one back in this way. Yeah, I said shove. You like that? So I'm gonna try doing that. Not gonna record it, but got the Wendy's napkins. You already know. A little fun fact that I don't even know about. Push this. Got the book, the pony. But that's nice that you can keep that out of the way. So just for a little note, the socket on the light itself sits vertically, not horizontally. But it does horizontally go that way, but it has to sit up and down. So that's pretty much it for the interior. Then we're gonna do the reverse light. So much better. Let's take these down real quick. Definitely really bright compared to what it was, and it just looks way better. Super simple. All you do, counterclockwise, pull it out, got the bulb. So I'm gonna put the new one in and put it back in. Just for a little comparison, stock, XPR, stock. So that's what it looks like. Nice and bright, nice and clear. You can hear the backup sensors. Got the car off. I didn't think it was gonna work, but that's what it looks like. All right, so that's pretty much it for today's video. Got the interior bulbs installed. We got the reverse light installed. So sorry again for the boring content of just these basic installs in my garage, but right now that's all we got. So we're gonna keep putting content out. Gotta edit a couple videos for you guys, but we're just gonna keep it coming. And then once springtime hits, we're gonna have plenty of reviews. We're gonna do car reviews. I'm gonna drive Carlos's car. What else we got? Got a couple cars lined up to drive. Gonna have Carlos drive my car. Gonna have one of my buddies with an STI drive my car. So we got content planned. We're gonna hit car shows. But like I said before, we got like 3 months left until we get there. So I'm gonna keep bringing content. Maybe give you guys a couple cold starts. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But other than that, that sums it up. We'll do one more look. Oh yeah, much better. Looks premium. So that's pretty much it. We'll catch you in the next one.